Day 3, DIY Craft, Beach Memory Jars. Welcome to Day 3 of our Summer Family Fun Challenge. Today, we're bringing the beach home. Create beautiful beach memory jars filled with sand, shells, and other treasures. A perfect way to remember your summer adventures. Creating DIY beach memory jars is a fun and sentimental way to preserve your summer adventures. This activity encourages creativity and storytelling, making it a wonderful project for families to enjoy together. Step 1. Gather materials. Basic supplies. Clear glass jars with lids. Mason jars work well. Sand, collected from the beach or purchased from a craft store. Seashells, pebbles, and small beach treasures. Photos or small keepsakes from your beach trip. Decorative elements. Ribbons, twine, stickers. Glue or hot glue gun. Optional, small LED lights. Step 2. Prepare your workspace. Set up a craft area. Choose a flat, sturdy surface for your crafting. Cover the area with newspaper or a tablecloth to protect it from sand and glue. Step 3. Layer the sand and treasures. Add sand. Pour a layer of sand into the bottom of each jar. This will serve as the base for your beach scene. Arrange treasures. Carefully place seashells, pebbles, and other small beach treasures on top of the sand. Create a visually appealing arrangement that reminds you of the beach. Step 4. Add photos and keepsakes. Include personal touches. Add small photos, ticket stubs, or other keepsakes from your beach trip. You can glue them to the inside of the jar lid or stick them in the sand. Create depth. Arrange items at different levels within the jar to create a sense of depth and interest. Step 5. Decorate the jar. Add ribbons and twine. Wrap ribbons, twine, or decorative tape around the neck of the jar. Secure with glue if necessary. Label the jar. Use stickers or a small tag to label the jar with the date and location of your beach trip. Step 6. Seal and display. Secure the lid. Once you are satisfied with your arrangement, securely fasten the lid on the jar. Consider adding a few drops of glue to ensure it stays closed. Optional lighting. For an extra touch, place a small LED light inside the jar to illuminate your beach scene. Find a spot. Display your beach memory jars on a shelf, windowsill, or table where they can be admired. Step 7. Reflect and share. Share stories. Talk about your favorite beach memories while creating your jars. Share stories and experiences from your trip. Showcase creations. Take photos of your finished jars and share them with friends and family or on social media. Don't forget to stay safe on your outdoor adventure and good luck. Time for Day 3 riddle. I have a heart that doesn't beat, a mouth that doesn't speak, and I travel the world without moving. What am I? Hint: you might find me on the beach, and I make a sound when held to your ear. You got 30 seconds to solve. The answer is a seashell. You got it. Thank you for participating. We are back tomorrow with another exciting challenge. This activity is free to participate in, but if you wish to support us, consider purchasing any of our many affordable items from our Amazon store. Thank you for your participation.